Hi there. I just want to quickly show you how everything works in this video. So you can select a product from here, and if you wanted to change the product, the information is over here. So let's say if you want to add a new, say dessert, and you want to add description of dessert. So you see that dessert will automatically appear over here, and the description of dessert will automatically appear. So you can select all the quantity and 3x per day and the notes and the location, whatever you need, and then just click on generate now. Once you click on generate now, because the script is already authorized to my account, it did not ask for the authorization. But let's say if the script was not authorized, so let me just quickly show you what happens if you're running it for the first time. So access, all right, let's assume you're running it this for the first time. So when you're running it for the first time, it will ask for this authorization. So this is a one-time process. You need to do it only once, so that the script can run using your Google account, and click on allow. So once that is done, the script has access to run on your behalf. So now if you click on generate now, the script will run and it will eventually finish. Once it finishes, you'll see that a new document is created on this folder. There it is, and with all the things as requested. Now if you wanted to change anything on this template, you can do so over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send you this template, or I'm going to send you access to this folder, and I'm also going to send you access to this spreadsheet. Now down the line, if you wanted to change the folder, if just in case if you did not want to generate the documents in this folder and you wanted to generate the document in another folder, you can copy that another folder ID and paste it into extensions app script and just change this folder ID over here. So if you change that, whatever folder ID is there, it will generate the thing, new document in this folder, and it takes the data from this spreadsheet which is named as entry. So just in case if you happen to change the name of this, you will also need to change the name accordingly over here. So if you want to change the folder ID, you have to replace the new folder ID with this one, and if you wanted to change the sheet, you have to change the name over here also. So that is it. All right, I hope you like my work.